Welcome to UX Living Lab. Today we are talking about story narration methods. In different story narration methods, I will more focus on social media, that is download published stories, direct from participants, social moderator as story narrator, trying the traditional way using influencers and using paid promotions. All these methods are focusing on social media story narration methods. We can start with published stories. Here you can see the Instagram stories, so already published. So I'm looking for stories about autonomous cars. So I'm searching for autonomous car. So you can see a lot of search results here and select one and it shows the feed stories and IGTV. Go to stories and select the stories and download. One important aspect is in Instagram, the story is having only 24 hours lifetime. So we have to download within 24 hours. Otherwise, it will be in highlights, but we can take the old stories. And then these stories are downloaded to our phone memory. The next method is engaging viewers to give stories. That is direct from participants. For that, we have to give a post or story to be posted and engage them to respond with their stories. They can type something in that and it will create the stories. The third one is social moderator as story narrator. Here we are engaging social moderator, that is not a professional moderator. You can see there is a engagement video for them. We are inviting them to create a story with their friend and a product and narrate the story with selection, purchase and usage, and they can submit the stories to direct message. Then fourth one is trying as traditional way using influencers. So influencers means they have huge number of followers. You can see in this influencer is having 121,000 followers. So we engage them to put a post. So how it works, you can see the influencers post in Instagram. So they will create a post and they will engage their followers to submit the stories. So it's a paid service. So we have to pay to the influencers for that. Another option is using paid promotion to Instagram. So what we had to do is we had to pay some amount to Instagram to promote our post, and they will promote according to the territory and according to the socioeconomic class what we are looking for as a feed or as a story. The viewers will respond with their stories and you can see the audience classifications and the age patterns, etc. from Instagram and the locations also. Now, another method is direct link to our website or our database. So you can see a direct link. When we click on it, it will go to our page and they can submit their responses and stories and photographs or videos. So this is a normal promotional methods to get the response. We are talking about the four different methods: download the published stories and direct from the participant, social moderator as story narrator, trying the traditional way. One thing we have to keep in mind that everything will work only in phone. That's one of the biggest limitation of these new methods, because all the stories can be created from phone and uploaded from phone and downloaded to phone. So in a corporate environment, this having a lot of limitations, because we are always looking for a big database and a lot of teams are working on it. We are working from laptops and rights and protections, etc. But here only phone will work. That means we have to work only in phone, that is more personalized. So they can upload the stories and we can download the stories and we can look for stories, everything from phone. This presentation is more focused to the social media methods now emerging in last 2 years, mainly because emerging or market trend from the Instagram as well as TikTok. It gives a lot of options to collect the stories. Thank you.